resume preparation, resume rank, and how to get notified your resume to many recruiters and the hiring managers. This is what we are going to talk about today. Vanakkam, welcome back to this channel. To get notified for the upcoming videos, kindly please click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you. Okay, today the topic is very important topic about resume preparation. Resume has a rank, and how the resume can get noticed by many recruiters and the hiring managers, and how to prepare a resume. This is what we are going to talk about today. Let me give you a background about resume rank. A resume score should be maximum of 60%. It should be there. If it is 60% and above, you can get noticed to in job portals or in a company career portals, etc. You know what? When the rank is more, your profile is more screened into many job applicants, job applications, job opportunities. Okay. How to increase the rank? You go to naukri.com, search about your profile. For example, I'm a .NET developer. I'll give .NET development keywords and then my experience. If you don't have experience also fine. If you are a fresher means, that's also not an issue. And click on search. You will get listed of many job applications, correct? Go inside each and every job. There will be descriptions. Copy those descriptions and reframe it, add it in your resume. So by this way, your resume can be set a rank maximum of 60%, more than 16%, maximum up to 80%. And moreover, if you are applying a job for a particular company, you should use only one resume. Don't use same resume for other companies. For one company, only one resume has to be created. Why I am saying means, because if a company is giving a description about the roles and responsibilities for the job, you will do the same has to be added in your resume. It's called keywords. You got it? It's called keywords. So once you have added and uploaded into a career portals, what will happen? There is a applicant tracking system which is called ATS. Automatically the software get tracking about the resumes and it will showcase to many recruiters and the hiring managers. By this way, you are going to get a high level chances of interview calls. So this is the ranking mechanism. And if, for example, if there is a 10 company I want to apply means, I will use 10 resumes. In my resume, the heading will be there, right? Resume file name. For example, my name is Vinod Kannan. Vinod Kannan underscore total years of experience underscore the company name. Got it? ABC 123 XYZ. Like that, I will give the company name. You know what? When you are applying for a job, the HR first thought process will be this resume has the file name. There are low chances, but it will work out. If they are saying this guy is dedicatedly searching for a job, so let me give you a call. They will start thinking in that way and you will get calls from there itself. So resume preparation is very important before applying for a job. And don't use one of your friends' resume. You have to create by yourself. You can take as a reference, but don't change the name and give it like that. Don't do like that. You have to create by your own. Why I'm saying means, when you are getting an interview calls, right? Based on your first 10-minute session, the questions will be raised from your resume only. Got it? So whatever you are adding in your resume, you should be well aware in that. Else you will get stumbled in the first 10 minutes itself. You can't able to answer confidently. Then there itself we are failing. So you have to showcase yourself and you have to speak confidently. Then the first 10 minutes itself, most probably you will be getting selected. You know what? You are an immediate joining. Based on your resume only, there are very low chances, but probably it can be done. A recruiter maybe got your resume and their job applications about everything, job descriptions and your resume descriptions is matching 100% means you won't get any other interview calls. Directly you will get an offer letter. This also happened for many people if you are an immediate joiner. So that's why you have to create your resume by yourself. Then you will be highly confident about what you have written in your resume. Sometimes the recruiters may ask you to share your screen and they can ask you about your roles and responsibilities, about what you have done in your last project. Based on your designation, what is your roles and responsibilities? These are all high level chances. You know what? Around 3 years before, during technical round, I got these kind of similar questions. What I have done in my resume. And if you don't know some process, if you don't know, but if you added those keywords in your resume, from there also you will get a call. You know what? I am a backend developer. I have added AngularJS in my project, which we have used. I got questions from AngularJS, but I don't know about the basic questions. So there I got stuck like anything. So add only what you know. You have to be very confident in what you have done. Even if you are a fresher, don't just add Java, I know. You have to learn yourself. You should know the algorithm. You should know the basic concept. Oops is one of the basic concept where, well, if you started your career now, up to 6 years or more than 6 years also, the same basic framed questions will be asked, and you have to give the same answer. So this is the main concept. Now I will give you a small sample about how to prepare a resume. In my description, I have given 2 links. Kindly please go and check it out. And try to use modern resumes. Modern resumes means your resume should have a good presentation. Your resume should have a good presentation. When you are giving a very good presented resume, right, it is highly chances to get noticed by the many recruiters and the hiring managers. So use your resume, modern resume. Modern resume is nothing but I have given in my description. Kindly please go and check it out. You will get an idea, you will get a reference, and based on that you can go ahead. You know what? To reduce my resume preparation, I have used some online portals which is called zeti.com. I got to know about this portal around 1 year before or 2 years before from my friend. I have given that website in below description. Monthly 150 rupees to 200, more enough. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you can create your own resume. You know what? When you are creating over there, the sentences will be automatically framed by the Zeti itself. You will get to know, wow, I don't want to spend that much amount of time. I will prepare, I will just edit, and I will download it as a PDF and I will attach it and will send to the recruiters or the hiring managers. In headers, you have to give your name, which should have the font size of above 18, and your mobile number and your email ID and your LinkedIn URL. And coming to the profile summary. Profile summary is nothing but where the recruiters will be asking you, tell me about yourself. The same content you add it in your profile summary. In tell me about yourself, what you're going to say, the same content it should be added in your first phase of profile summary. And then you have to add your certifications. Got it? Your certification is going to play an important role. From the first video itself, I'm saying the same. Certification is important. It will create an identity, that is like you have done something in that particular platform. So certification is going to be play an important role. Add your certification and then you come back to work history. Work history is nothing but, if you are a fresher, you can add what you have done in your college project and what is your team size, and you can add your roles and responsibilities over there. Whatever you have done, you can add it. If you are a fresher, go and check in some job portals description and add the same. If you are an experienced profile, add your work history, company name, your designation from which year to which year, and then you have to add your roles and responsibilities. What is your roles and responsibility in that particular company for that particular project? You don't add your project details. Your resume should have only 2 pages, not more than that. So 1 page for freshers and 2 pages for experienced profile. My resume has only 2 pages. You have added your work history and then you have to add your accomplishments. Accomplishments means nothing but your achievements. And then you add your below graduation details. No need to add your percentage, not at all required. Make questions to be asked. What are the questions will be coming? You have to plan yourself. You have to make the recruiters to ask those kind of questions. Frame it. Next question they are going to ask this. How I am going to answer it. This is what the interview sessions. And then you want to add your tools and technologies. Use the left side of the corner. Add all your interpersonal skills, tools, technologies, version, histories, everything you can add it in the left corner in a modern resume or whatever the format which you want. If you have any concerns, please leave your feedback in comment section. To get noticed for the upcoming videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. I hope I have given you a good background about the resume preparation. In upcoming video, we are going to talk about the job portal and after that interview fear. It's one of the beautiful concepts which we are going to talk about. Thank you. Bye.